Hi, welcome back. I'm Dr. Sridhar. We are continuing with the short MCQ format, and I hope you have subscribed, and I do request you to subscribe and share the videos as well. Please like them if you find it useful, because the YouTube algorithm will spread it more. The following conditions have secondary surfactant deficiency. More than one answer is possible for this question. So we have meconium aspiration, pneumonia or syndrome, transient tachypnea of newborn, congenital pneumonia, pulmonary hemorrhage, and persistent pulmonary hypertension of the newborn. I'll pause for a few seconds so you can think of your answers. Remember, there is more than one answer for this question. Okay, so we will look at what is secondary surfactant deficiency. So we discussed earlier that most of the surfactant, around 80%, is taken back, or reuptake happens within the pulmonary pneumocytes, and this recycling process makes the surfactant production and the balance efficient. However, if there is material, proteinaceous material in the alveoli which denature the surfactant, the reuptake cannot happen efficiently, and there is secondary surfactant deficiency. So you can look at the conditions where you have proteinaceous material. Meconium, for example, is a combination of different components including protein, bile acids, and cellular structures. So obviously that will cause secondary surfactant deficiency if the meconium reaches the alveoli. Transient tachypnea of newborn and congestive failure, PDA, these do not cause surfactant inactivation because this is more of a watery exudate or watery transudate into the alveoli. In pneumonia, we have exudate, which is proteinaceous, and in severe cases, you may have secondary surfactant deficiency. In pulmonary hemorrhage, obviously, the blood that is into the alveoli has protein components, including the serum albumin, and this will inactivate the surfactant. PPHN is not a single condition. If it is idiopathic PPHN or primary PPHN, obviously there is no exudate, no blood or meconium, but when PPHN is associated with any of these above conditions, you might have secondary surfactant deficiency. So the answer for PPHN when it's given on its own is likely to be no. But if you have PPHN with MAS or other conditions, you could have secondary surfactant. So for the question's sake, we can say meconium, pneumonia, and pulmonary hemorrhage are the right answer. I hope this helps. Thank you.